In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link items between boards in monday.com. Linking items is really helpful when you're managing related work across multiple boards. For example, you might have a high-level projects board and a separate tasks board, and you want to connect specific tasks back to their parent project. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up that connection so information stays in sync and is easy to find. First, open monday.com and select the project board where you want to create the connection. This will be the board that holds the items you want to link from. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct board, because the connection you're about to create will become a column on this board. Once you're in the right board, look for the plus sign at the top of your columns, usually on the far right of your board header. This plus sign is what you use to add a new column. Go ahead and click that plus sign to open the list of available column types. From the list that appears, find and click on Connect Boards. This is the column type that lets you create a relationship between items in this board and items in another board. When you select it, monday.com will start walking you through a short setup process. A window will pop up prompting you to select which boards you want to connect to. Click on Select Boards. This will show you a list of boards you have access to in your account or workspace. Scroll through that list and look for the board that contains the items you want to link to. For example, if you're on a projects board right now, you might be selecting a task board to connect. Once you've found the board you want, click on it to highlight or check it. If the setup allows it, you can usually choose one or more boards to connect, but here just make sure you pick the one that makes sense for your workflow. After you've made your selection, confirm it by clicking on Connect Boards. At this point, just follow the on-screen prompts. Monday.com may ask you things like whether you want to allow linking multiple items or if you want to create a mirror column to display information from the connected board, such as status, dates, or owners. Read each option carefully and choose the settings that best match how your team works. Once you're done, your new Connect Boards column will appear, and you'll be able to click into a cell and link specific items between the two boards.